Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland. And spring can be a very expensive time for the gardener, especially when Brexit is about to hit, and we gardeners are wondering whether we should buy our last minute things from the UK, because after Brexit comes we may not be able to buy plants from there. So I have an order here that's just arrived and we're going to unbox it together. Okay, and here we go with an unboxing, and this order is a variety of greenhouse bulbs and outdoor hardy plants which will arrive bare root, and it's come from the Himalayan Garden, which is a nursery in Scotland, unless I'm very much mistaken. And in we go. And here we have lots of paper to make a big mess in the garden. Scary. Okay, I'm going to put that on top there. And oh, isn't that exciting? Nice, exciting stuff. Okay, first is an Ornithogalum, caudatum. Now I think this is one for the greenhouse. Let's just have a look in here at what we got. A nice green little bulb. Okay, I'll pop that up soon. Next up we have Anemonella, which is a gorgeous woodland plant. In any case, it's one that I have actually had before and lost. So I should need to find a good place for this. Now, as you can see, this has come in compost. So it's actually, where is my plant? Now this will be bare root. Wow. Alright, there is actually a little bud there at the top. Okay, let's put that aside. Another bulb, Cooperanthus. And you know me and my bulbs, I absolutely love my bulbs. Nice. Oh, I feel a drop of rain. I think we're going to have to, we'll just put those aside. They're for my friend. Okay, and oh look, free gift. Zephrantes, which is kind of a rain lily, unless I'm very much mistaken. And well, you can see the pictures there. The rain is falling. We are going to open this up post haste and display a variety of healthy looking little bulbs. It's hailstoning. Okay, but we're hardy gardeners. We're going to persevere. That's my friends. Okay, this is my friends. Okay, we have some Roscoea, and anyone who has visited my garden will know that I'm absolutely mad about Roscoea. Absolutely love them. So I wouldn't miss the opportunity to get some new ones. And here we have a very healthy looking little tuber with a growth coming there. That's good stuff. Now all of these I'm going to pot up in pots first, and then when they get established I'll worry about planting them out. Here we have another Roscoea, so this one is the white form. I think. Oh look, this one is meaty. Oh yes, look, nice sized. And there's the growth point there, which I'll be very careful not to break. I noticed the hailstones bouncing off it. Okay, right, in we go. Okay. It really is. Okay, this is a Hippeastrum, so what is commonly called an amaryllis, that flowers usually in winter time, and this is a species one, and it is one with an orange flower, with a glorious orange flower, so that looks really, really happy. And see the hailstones landing. I have another Roscoea. Is this the first unboxing you've seen under hailstones, I wonder? It's certainly the first one I've done under hailstones. Whoa! Okay, so this is an alpine Roscoea, and there it is. Happy, healthy looking little thing. This is going to be small anyway by its nature. And oh, okay, hang on, this is it. This is the Trillium. The whole reason for me placing this order in the first place. And it is a double Trillium. I kid you not. White and beautiful and glorious. And I just had to have this. Now, there we go. There's the, maybe if the cameraman can step back a little bit so we can just see the elements we are up against here. This is hailstones falling. I hope you all appreciate what I do for my YouTube videos. Poor double Trillium. Come on in here, let's get this thing done. Here's a piece of paper. Here's another piece of paper. Last one. Haemanthus, pauculifolius, and this is a South African bulb that is not going to appreciate this kind of weather. And here we go. It's potting up time. Okay, that's it. That was my unboxing in the hailstones video. I hope you appreciate what I bring to you. I hope you like the video, and check back for lots more stuff if I don't get frozen first. Bye!